Hi, and welcome back to Thone Psalms Nibbles number 80, a prayer to God for restoration. This is Psalm 80, verses 8 through 12. You have brought a vine out of Egypt. You have cast out the nations and planted it. You prepared room for it and caused it to take deep root, and it filled the land. The hills were covered with its shadow, and the mighty cedars with its boughs. She sent out her boughs to the sea, and her branches to the river. Why have you broken down her hedges, so that all who pass by the way pluck her fruit? And it's all about the vine. Why is it in the Bible? The gift of the vine was removed. Communications, the result of Israel's disobedience. Application to my life. Often, Israel is represented by a vine in both the Old and New Testaments. The Israelites had brought this vine out of Egypt and planted it after they had taken possession of the Promised Land. They had built walls, that is, hedges, around these areas and had felt secure. However, because of the disobedience of the people, God had broken down the walls and thus removed the hedge of protection from Israel. Thus they were vulnerable to attack. God says, I protect those who live in the framework of my word. My personal response, Lord, thank you for being the root of the vine of our lives. Help us remember it will always be so. And with that, I think we are finished for today, and see you next time.